take some shots here, kind of critique myself as I go with the video and see what happens. And anything else comes up, I feel like talking about it or whatever, we'll see what happens. We'll see where it goes organically, as they say. All right, let's go check it out. Break down what happened here. These first three, actually I don't remember which number it was, but these were all pretty good. Everything felt good. And one of the reasons I love the tension release that I have, this is a silverback by Knock On. And one of the reasons I love this is because it shows me my imperfections in my mechanics, my posture. It shows me when something's breaking down, because there's many things, but for this specific arrow here that was way outside, I get to a point where I pull back and I let off the safety, and my release should be just a little push pull, not much, right? It's a little surprise release. But sometimes when I get there, if I don't focus on all the mechanics leading up to the anchor, then I typically, not always, but sometimes, a lot of times, I miss something. So in this case, I'm not exactly sure what I missed, but I know I missed something because when I hit my back wall, or I thought it was my back wall, I was trying to pull through and I couldn't get it to go. So that tells me either my shoulder was down instead of up and out, or my posture was not right. I didn't have my shoulder blades together. The elbow wasn't high enough. Something in there, unfortunately. So with the silverback or any tension release, it's very helpful. It forces you to have good mechanics. And so, but every time I get to that point, this came off and I literally had to force it and pull it through. Like I literally just, yanked it, which I knew when I was doing it, it was wrong and I shouldn't do that, but I did it anyway. So most of the time I've learned to just let it down, reset, and go again. So typically when I do that, it's smooth and it's on point. But yeah, it's better to have good quality shots and teach yourself to not take bad shots just to take them, in my experience anyway. So I feel like you're wasting a lot of reps and energy forcing things or just slinging arrows, as I used to say. Because when I first started again, I was just out there slinging arrows, just as many as I could. And but anyway, that's all I have to say about this here. Again, these all felt pretty good. And then this guy here, I had to force. Inevitably, every single time I got to force it. Thanks for checking out the video, and have more coming soon. Knock it out. Bye.